Hi, this is problem 14 from the AMC 10A. How many ways are there to write 2016 as the sum of 2's and 3's, ignoring order, given these two examples? Now, if you've seen the videos on linear two-variable integer equations, this problem will be easy for you. So let's try to write this in math terms. We have products of 2's and 3's adding to 2016. So that's essentially 2x plus 3y is equal to 2016. And we're trying to find x and y that are integers greater than or equal to 0. Now at this point you're kind of home free, and I'll link a video that shows this procedure in a little more detail, but it's pretty straightforward from this point. We have a linear two-variable integer equation. This is one of the simpler versions where one of the coefficients divides into 2016. In fact, both of them do. So we can divide by either coefficient, so I'll just divide by 3 for this solution. So dividing by 3, we have the following equation. And we have integers for y and integer for 672. So this term also has to be an integer. And the only way that can happen is for x to be a multiple of 3. So we can now write x is equal to 3n, where n is some integer. And if we back substitute that, we can then solve for y and find that y is now equal to 672 minus 2n. And now we have to find the integer values of n, which satisfy the condition that x and y are integers greater than or equal to 0. So for this first condition, we find that x has to be 0 or larger, so that just means n has to be greater than or equal to 0. Y has to be greater than or equal to 0, which means that n has to be less than or equal to 672 divided by 2, that's 336. And combining these two conditions, we find that we have n values of 0, 1, 2, all the way up to 336. And that is 337 values in total. And that is choice C. Anyway, a pretty straightforward problem if you're familiar with the solution of two-variable linear integer equations, and I'll link to that video lesson which goes over this solution in a little more detail. So good luck with that, and we'll see you at the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.